Sahlmark, and I'm a trans man. I've put together a workshop called Prisms of Love. In this course, we'll pull back the curtain to offer a glimpse into the real lives of the members of the 2S LGBTQIA+ community to explore the challenges of maintaining relationships.
I used to just say to my mom, like, why would I choose this? And my dad would say, like, I don't understand what this means.
Around my relationship with my mom, and I feel tenderness in speaking about her. It was really hard for her that I was queer.
The amount of times that I've gone places and I don't know which bathroom I'm allowed to use.
I grew up in an environment where being gay was not okay.
How lifelong it affects you. That'll follow you for the rest of your life.
Even with a mix of emotions all going on, this is exactly what I need to be doing, and the time is right now. And everything in my life keeps showing up. Every day it shows that this is what I'm supposed to be doing, this is what I am supposed to be doing, and this is what you're supposed to be hearing. This is a safe space to talk and learn with compassion and grace, and I invite you to join me.
Have the grace to keep on moving on at a pace that's right where you belong. In the face of all that's going on, you don't have to run that race. In the